My daughter. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is a little vloggy vlog. It's New Year's Eve and it's 11:17 p.m. So we're heading down to the beach to go see the fireworks to welcome in the new year, you know, nicely. I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys, and thank you guys so much for the ongoing support that you guys have given to me throughout the entire year. You guys have me growing and growing and growing in full speed. I'm almost at 7K. That's if I'm not at 7K posting this right now. Each and every one of you guys that took the time out to watch my videos, that took the time out to subscribe, to share, to like, to leave comments, I'm so appreciative of you guys. You don't even know. And I want to wish you guys a prosperous new year. May 2024 for you and your family be filled with a lot of love, a lot of light, a lot of blessings, a lot of money, a lot of goals being achieved, and overall success. My daughter is in the back. See her around here biting on the toy. Leah. And here's my boyfriend. He's driving. So it's just me, my daughter, and my boyfriend. We're heading to the beach to go see the fireworks. Yeah, it's 2024. I'm so excited. Let's bring in the new year with a bang.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna agree.
Are you excited to bring in the new year? If you want. He couldn't care less. It's what time? Like 11:40? Something like
that, yeah.
Fireworks supposed to start at 12. I'm out here looking crazy, but it's cold. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you, my darling. Happy New Year! 2024. Dang, I feel like it's just yesterday that was like 2020. Like, be for real, it was just yesterday that it was 2020. We're heading over the drawbridge and we're heading down to the beach. I forgot to bring my daughter's blanket, but she has on a coat and her daddy put one of his sweaters over her, so she should be fine.
Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele.
Fun fact, when you are a vlogger, it's weird because when you're in public and you take your camera out and you're just filming and getting your shots and everything, people just look at you crazy, like wondering what in the world is she doing with the camera, pointing around in people's faces, etc. They just be looking at you crazy. But you have to have thick skin in this form of work. You have to know what you're doing. Parking. You have to know what you're doing and have thick skin. Ooh. Because if you don't have thick skin, baby, it don't even make sense. I don't know. So we're here, y'all. It's like a nice little strip. It's a lot of people here. We crossing. We finna go look for a little spot and settle into our little spot.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, 'cause I just don't know. got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night.
Wow, look.
Telling me lies.
Wow.
Baby, stop telling me lies.
Like, yeah, I could tell that the times are getting harder and harder because the fireworks lasted for 2 minutes. Last year, the fireworks lasted longer. I don't understand it. It's like, I don't know, people just don't have money. I don't know what's going on, but that was 2 minutes of firework. It wasn't even nothing extravagant, but I'm still grateful. You know, I got to witness it or whatever. Me and my boobies. So we still on this trip. We about to walk back to our car and head home. It's cold outside and Happy New Year, everybody! Let's jump into this new year, prosperous, happy, positive, and let us kill it. I'll see you on the next video.